found more and bigger white sharks than they had ever seen before.
Great.
They proved the deeper you go, the bigger they are.
I'm actually a bit speechless at this point. I'm still shaking, my heart's just pounding. I mean, it was really something else. At some points of the dive, it was pretty intimidating because they were actually starting to bump the sub. We had probably over 20 different individuals visit us. It got to the point where I just couldn't keep up with all the sharks. Everywhere I looked, they were in view at any one time. It seems that the deeper we've gone throughout this expedition, the bigger the sharks are getting. I thought that I'd seen it all until now.
On one last mission, Dr. Mauricio Hoyos decides to go all in and dive even deeper in the sub, taking it as far down as the sub can go, into the dark at 1,000 feet.
Systems are running, and we're ready to dive.
I would really like to go to the edge, because I know that the big ones remain in that specific place where the edge is.
You are clear to dive.
You have a very big animal right behind your sub right now, coming in.
Jimmy and Brandon watch from the onboard monitor as Mauricio goes deeper and darker.
We appear to be approaching the edge of the wall.
Over the wall, the canyon plummets thousands of feet.
I can't believe how bad the visibility is.
It's looking real dark out in front of us.
By the time they reach the bottom, they're in total darkness. They flick on the lights to see what's around them.
Beautiful habitat.
Oh, yeah. Torpedo ray.
Very odd shape.
Yeah.
Not something I'm used to seeing.
Maybe there's not a lot of fish down here for a reason.
They're just planted on the bottom?
Not wanting to scare off any deep water predators, they sit and wait in the darkness. Then, something catches their eye.
Oh, Jack. Wow, look at that.
Holy
Wow!
Wow. Oh my God, she's really, really big. Wow.
We are slowly proceeding up the slope.
He thought that he saw deep blue down there. We're not sure if it was deep blue, but either way, it was a very big shark.
And it was amazing. We were right at the edge. Suddenly we saw a big female.
I'm absolutely stoked, dude. We pulled it off.
The deep water research at Guadalupe has just begun.